Hi everyone. Well, my new condenser mic came in and I'm using new screen capture software. This is OBS and it's open source and free. So I figured now would be the perfect time to get back into making videos, and today I'd like to show you one of the brand new features in the upcoming Luminar 4, which is absolutely amazing. It's called the AI Sky Replacement. And for any of you who have tried replacing skies in Photoshop or other programs, yes, you can do it and you can do it well, but it is incredibly time consuming. So I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to do with Luminar 4. Honestly, it's worth buying this program just for this filter because of how user-friendly it is. So anyhow, for those of you familiar with previous versions of Luminar, you'll notice that the layout is a little bit different, but I promise you it's very intuitive and you'll catch up to it and with all the new changes very quickly. We're in library mode here, where we can choose our photos. There's edit mode, where you have various panels on the side. Essentials for your basics, creative for all of the fun tools like the AI Sky Replacement, Sun Rays, and Mystical. There's a new portrait mode. So this panel is dedicated to the AI Skin Enhancer and the Portrait Enhancer, and I'll be looking at those features in depth in future videos. And there's the Pro panel, which is where you do your advanced editing. Anyhow, we're going to go right back to Creative because I want to show you just how quick and easy it is to replace a sky with Luminar 4. So we click on Sky Selection, and from the drop-down menu we choose one of their pre-recorded skies here. Let's choose Dramatic 3, we wait, and bam, there you have it. Instant, just instant. And I deliberately chose a photo that had a tree with leaves so you could see how well it replaced the sky in between all the branches and leaves. Like, this is incredible. Very nicely done, and against the building you can see how seamless it is. Anyhow, there you have it, before and after, with just one filter, the sky replacement. So anyhow, there are a lot more features that are packed into this new program, so I will be exploring them down the road in future videos, but I just wanted to show you this one very quickly, and there you have it. The new AI Sky Replacement in Luminar 4. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day.